Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn up auto caption on YouTube. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open YouTube. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on settings icon. Scroll down and find caption option. Here you can see caption option. Just tap on caption. Here you can see show caption option. Just turn off this option. Now your YouTube auto caption has been turned off. In this way you can easily turn off auto caption on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.